Hello everyone, my name is Joshua. It's my pleasure to welcome you to learn how to install R and RStudio. Now the starting point is to launch your um, browser. Then you should go to RStudio desktop website. You can find it here. Then getting there, you will find install RStudio. You need both software. So you come here, right click and open in a new tab. Then it's going to take you here. Then download R for Windows, install R for the first time. Then this is what you need. R 4.2.2, that is the latest. Then you click on this, download and install on your computer. Then you have to come back here, then download RStudio Desktop for Windows. So you need both, but after installing both, then you have to launch the RStudio. Definitely the RStudio will contain the R version that you have installed. Thank you. I hope this is super simple and clear to understand. Thanks.